Look, Wolfie started playing with the bubble wraps, and look at her now. I put it back on her. But is this dog abuse? Wolfie, here. You're so cute. Yeah. You don't want to get hurt, so you got to be bubble wrapped. Oh, look what I got. Cookies. Cookies. Are you a good dog? Do you want this? Sit. Sit. Hey, if you guys haven't checked out Mel Mel, you got to. She just put up an awesome video. Mel. I can't do links with this phone. It's my backup phone. Wolfie? Hey. Do you want this? Speak. Speak. You know how silly you look? You want more? You can't have any chocolate. You can have the rest, though. You good dog? Look at you. You look so silly. What are you doing? Oh, this is a toothbrush chewer thing. I can't see it. Hey, finally got electric over by my desk. Woofy, and it works. Woofer! Do you want this? Are you going to be a good dog? Did you go to church? This Sunday, did you go to church? Hey, Woof. Did you go to church yet? Here. Okay. You're a good puppy. Woofy, what got into you? Have you been smoking something? She's gonna. Oh, you're getting me dizzy now. All right, guys. Yeah, I know this isn't work. I'm gonna start work now. See you later.